Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer.
The VoiceOver Quick Start. In this Quick Start, you'll learn the location of important keys on your keyboard and important VoiceOver commands. You can exit the Quick Start at any time and finish it later. To advance through the Quick Start panels, use the Practicing What You Learn. Many Quick Start panels include an area where you can use VoiceOver to practice the commands you just learned about on the panel. The Quick Start plays a sound to indicate when practice begins and ends. When VoiceOver starts and is ready for practice, you will hear the following sound. When VoiceOver stops, you will hear the following sound. Now, the VoiceOver keys, VoiceOver commands are entered by pressing the Control and Option keys together, along with one or more other keys. The Control and Option keys are called the VoiceOver keys, or VO keys for short. On a desktop computer, they are the second and third keys to the left and right of the spacebar. On a portable computer, they are the second and third keys to the left of the spacebar. During this Quick Start, when you need to enter a VoiceOver command, you will hear something like, press VO right arrow, which means, press and hold the Control and Option keys, then press the right arrow key. Getting to know your keyboard. To help you learn the location of the keys on your keyboard, VoiceOver includes a feature called Keyboard Help. In Keyboard Help, when you press a key, you hear the key's name. If you also press the VO keys at the same time, you'll hear the name of the VoiceOver command assigned to that key and a brief description. Use VoiceOver now to start Keyboard Help. Press the OK. When you're done, press the Escape key to exit Keyboard Help and return to the Quick Start. Then press the right arrow key to continue. Moving around the screen. To move the VoiceOver cursor, press the VO keys while you press the up, down, left, or right arrow key. As the cursor moves, you will hear a description of the item it moves to. On screen, the VoiceOver cursor appears as a rectangular outline around the item. Use VoiceOver now to navigate the practice area below. When you're done, move the VoiceOver cursor down to the Continue or Go Back button. Then press VO spacebar to select it. VoiceOver on, VoiceOver Quick Start. Moving around the screen window, hide up. Adjusting the voice, you can easily change the rate, pitch, volume, and intonation of VoiceOver's synthesized voice using keyboard commands. To start, press VO command right arrow several times until you hear the voice setting you want to change. To increase the settings value, press VO command up arrow. To decrease the value, press VO command down arrow. Use VoiceOver now to adjust voice settings. Selecting controls, the VoiceOver cursor is a powerful feature, as it's used to navigate and control the computer. Using the VoiceOver cursor, you interact with checkboxes, radio buttons, pop-up menus, and other on-screen controls. To select or enable a button or other item, press VO spacebar. Use VoiceOver now to read the text and select the checkboxes and radio buttons in the practice area below. When you're done, navigate to the Continue or Go Back button. Then press VO spacebar to select it. VoiceOver on, VoiceOver Quick Start. Selecting Controls window, Cell Grid. Selecting items in pop-up menus. To show the items in a pop-up menu, press VO spacebar. To select an item, navigate to it and press VO spacebar again. Use VoiceOver now to navigate to a pop-up menu in the practice area below and select pop-up menu items. When you're done, select the Continue or Go Back button. Typing in text fields. text fields are areas on the screen where you enter information. Most text fields have text labels above or beside them. Move the VoiceOver cursor to a label to learn about the text field and the type of information to enter in the field. When you type in a text field, you hear each letter as you type it. When you type in a secure text field, such as a password field, the characters are not spoken. Use VoiceOver now to read the labels for the text fields in the practice area below, and then move the cursor to the text fields to enter text. Interacting with elements. Some elements on screen can contain other elements. VoiceOver simplifies navigation by moving only to its top-level elements, such as text areas, toolbars, tables, or controls. When you hear an element of interest, you can stop and interact with it. For example, interact with the toolbar to explore its tools, or with the control to change its setting. When you interact with an element, you navigate only within its boundaries until you stop interacting. To start interacting with an element, press the O shift down arrow. To navigate within the element, use the O and the arrow keys. To stop interacting with it, press the O shift up arrow. Use VoiceOver now to interact with the toolbar in the practice area below. Navigating in tables. When you interact with tables in text documents and web pages, you navigate vertically and horizontally using the arrow keys and VoiceOver navigation commands you have already learned. VoiceOver provides additional commands for reading tables by column, row, or cell. To read a table column, press VOCC. To read a row, press VOR. To read the column header, VOC. Use VoiceOver now to explore the table in the practice area below. When you're done, select the Continue or Go Back button.